Subscribe to Rajshri Food and click on the bell icon for more updates.
Today, let's make a quintessential North Indian winter specialty, Pinni Ke Ladoo, also known as Atte Ke Ladoo or Atte Ki Pinni. Let's begin with roasting a few things. For that, of course, we need to heat a pan and add in ghee. And this time, lots of ghee. Well, for this recipe, when I say lots of ghee, there's of course a recipe that you need to check in the description box below. Generally, the thumb rule is for 1 cup of ghee, you need to add in 2 cups of atta. Allow this to heat on moderate flame. When the ghee just kind of begins to heat up, I'll add in some semolina, also known as rava or suji. Well, this is added to get in the grittiness in the pinni. With this, let's also add in wheat flour and roast this till it's nice and golden brown in color. There are various ways of roasting wheat flour or any flour for that matter. You could either use a microwave if you have it in your house. All you need to do is take a microwave-proof bowl, add in the flour and give it the first shot of microwave for 1 minute. Stir it well and continue doing that for at least 5 minutes, but in 1 minute shots. Do remember that? Do not go in all at once because the flour will end up burning. At this stage, let's add in an optional ingredient, and that is dry desiccated coconut. The addition of desiccated dry coconut is just kind of adding to the warming properties of the pinni. Well, you would have noticed that since the atta was pre-roasted, we've saved on a lot of time. Let's transfer all of this in a bowl. Allow this mixture to kind of just come down to room temperature. In the interim, let's start chopping some nuts. In this case, some almonds and pistachios. Well, you're also free to use some cashews if you please. Let's add in the chopped nuts to the roasted atta, ghee and semolina mixture. Let's add in some raisins, kishmish. For flavor, some cardamom pods, which are roughly crushed. And finally, for some sweetness, powdered sugar or powdered jaggery, as you please. Let's mix this well, and this time with your fingers, because you also need to start breaking the lumps of the sugar, if any. The pinni mixture needs to be mixed well, and once that's done, let's take lemon-sized balls and convert them into sumptuous Pinni Ke Ladoo. With this, your Atte Ki Pinni or Pinni Ka Ladoo is done and ready. Do try and make this at home for your family and friends, but more importantly, make this a part of your diet, especially this winter. Do not forget to like and share the video and subscribe to Rajshri Food.